Hi everyone, this video is about unboxed microwave sensor offered by BlackT Electrotech, India company. What came in the package? This Amazon waterproof wrapper with the sort of invoice on it, and in it there was a purchase receipt, or shall I say bill, and I received a microwave sensor box. This is how it looks, and in it came this wrapper in which the microwave sensor was wrapped. This product catalog offered by BlackT Electrotech, all the products which are offered by this company, and these are the screwdrivers, 2 drivers, and this is an important piece of information about microwave sensor. So these are the specifications, how does it work, and if you turn the page around you will see how to install it. These are the wiring diagrams and what best settings you should use, in addition to some troubleshooting techniques. So this is the manual, and this is the product. Let me make some room here. So this was the product. The product looks good, and there is a small LED if you see, and this is how it looks. So this is offered by BlackT Electrotech, which is I guess 220 volts, 50-60 hertz according to India electrical standards. And this has got 2 screws where you can 2 places where you can use this to mount it against the wall. And if we see, if you're interested to know, it is about 10 centimeters and roughly 3 centimeters. The way to open this is swivel it and open this. So these are the settings. So this is lux, this is sense, this is timer. How to choose these settings is something given in the instructions manual, and you can choose accordingly. These is where the screws goes in and mount it with against whichever board or wall you want. And these are the wires. I expect this to be live neutral load perhaps. So the wire comes in through here or here and goes out, while this is mounted like this against your wall, like this. So that was pretty much it. Thank you for watching.